Cindy Lopa, girls want to have fun. 8 minutes away from 8 o'clock here on the Voice of Hauraki. Hauraki te tara o te ika Maui. Rino and reha through to 10 o'clock Wednesday morning. Cloudy, but otherwise should be another beautiful day, bro. Like it is going to be Apopo as you, yourself and Haki head up to the beautiful Whitianga.
It's going to be a beautiful day up there with our whānau of Ngāti Hei. Hui anō with all of our whānau that will gather up there for the first Waitangi ki Whitianga e no mātou, te whiwhi no mātou. Hoki te maringa nui ko piri mai tētahi o ngā kaiwhakahaere, tētahi o ngā mātua, ka whakawhāriki hia i ngā nekeneke hanga i ngā kōrero, to give us a bit of an update to let all of our whānau know what to expect at the first Waitangi in Whitianga. Nā reira, matua, morena!
Hey, morena kōrua.
Kei te pēhea.
Hey, kei te whanatonu te hoi ho.
Tēnā whakamārama mai ki ngā tini whanaunga. What will be taking place tomorrow at Buffalo Beach Reserve over there in Whitianga?
Ki tā te kōrero, he rā whakanui noiho i a Waitangi, i te tuakiritanga hoki o te motu whānui, me ngā hononga a whakapapa ki te triti o Waitangi. Mo ngā tangata triti, tātahi, mo mana whenu mo iwi take ka arua, kei reira tērā whenu kōrero tō rangapu, o tira ko te mea nui kia hari, kia koa, kia kotahi, ngā iwi katoa ao te aroa. Kei reira hoki te tuku i ngā mōhio, hei whakamārama i te hunga kāre tino mōhio ana mo te triti o Waitangi, mō nā mātāpono, me te mea hoki, ko ngā rights e kia nei roto i te triti, ia tātou ke i mua i te tainga mai o te triti, engari ko te triti te kuaha kia noho ai tangata ke ki roto i tēnei ngā mautere o tēnei whenua.
Tino pai te rongo i tērā o ngā kaupapa e te matua tēnā. Whakamārama mai, what can our whānau expect for tomorrow in terms of what will be on offer? Who will be there to entertain our people? Who will be there to whāngai te tini, whāngai te mano, me ngā hua o te kai, me ngā hua o ngā Pākihi?
We've got 22 people that are representing, providing information workshops.
Yeah.
We've got stalls, there's some kai. We've got really good support from the local community for sponsorship, so there were giveaways and comps and competitions on the go. It's located at Ohuka Beach, I think Brody's te ingoa Pākehā, at the Tarapātiki Bridge, so you can bring your kids around, they're swimming. We've got safety things in place, but remember, we're not babysitting the kids, jaki tamariki, but it's just a cool day where everyone can chill, soak in a bit of treaty vibe. We've got some musical acts. I know the local school, their kapahaka performing, the wharekura o Manaia are coming along, and there's some other local performers as well. So it's just like a little celebration day. Officially, we're rolling from 10 till 2-ish, but get there a bit early. There's kaumātua parking nearby, another parking a little bit further, but the cool thing is you can walk on the footpath or you can just have a stroll along the beach to get to the location.
Beautiful, eh? It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And I love what Brandon says, Reha, around the celebration of the day. And that's what needs to happen. It's bringing our whānau in unity. As we saw a big kaupapa that travelled around the motu down to Wellington around the Toitu. So this is just another step into celebrating what we do when it comes to Waitangi. Brandon, when I think of the mahi you've done and I've seen the layout of this kaupapa, wow, there is a lot of hard mahi behind the preparation in this, just to acknowledge those people who have a heart and a passion to recognise Waitangi Day, but the drive and the thrive to have the inaugural event up there in Whitianga. It must be a cool thing to be part of, especially when I take a look at what you've proceeded to have done for tomorrow. It's a lot of mahi.
It's just a cool way to do things, and partly because of the nature of the community, there are some people that still aren't quite sure about things. They'll see things on TV, but I had 4 aunties in their late 60s into 70s that joined at Hikoi down to Wellington, and they said it was like going to a concert. It was like being with whānau. They'd walk into a space and they'd have people running up to them with chairs and crying, saying, "Oh, would you like a seat? Come and sit over here in the shade." And that's who we are. And I'd like that to be who our children are in a generation or 3 or 4. And It's not about the angst, it's just about the joy. It's a cool place to live, it's a cool place to raise kids, and that's what we're celebrating. There's a bit of angst and negativity around some of the discourse about Te Tiriti o Waitangi, but it's never been something to be scared of. It shouldn't be something to be scared of. It's just about iwi and iwi getting together and having a good time.
Love it, bro. Love what you're saying. Love your philosophy around it. Love the manaki, where you talk from deep within your nako as well. And that's the way it should be.
Yeah.
You know,
We're really fortunate. We've got people have volunteered labour. All our rubbish is being sorted, so we didn't have to worry about that.
beautiful.
We work, the Ngā Tūmanako o Te Whitianga Trust works in tandem with the local iwi trust, Ngāti Hei, the mana whenua, and they've always got their Ngāti Huarere relations tautokoing.
Yeah.
And we, at the moment, their bill for their treaty settlement is in its third reading. At the moment, that's their main priority. And so we just picking up another end of the stick, but basically we're there to support mana whenua, and Kaumātua Joe Davis has always said, what's a Māori, what's someone from an iwi, or how do you define what a Kiwi is? And he just says, he aroha ki te tangata. And I like that vibe. It's what our old people have always said, and that's all we want people to know. We're just about aroha ki te tangata. That's it.
Beautiful.
Wa tēnei ka miha tika koe te matua te whakawātea mai a koe anō ki te kōrero e pāna ki te kaupapa e kainamu nei hei a pōpō 10 o'clock e hoa mā ka timata te kaupapa hioi anō 9:30 ko te pōhiri nā reira me tai wawe atu koutou ki te kaupapa kia pāina ana koutou i roto i ngā hihi o tamanui te rā tēnei ka miha tika o koutou e ngā tini whanaunga o Ngāti Hei, ngā tini whanaunga o Ngā Tūmanako o Whitianga Trust. And it's going to be an exciting day tomorrow, Uncle. And what is one thing you're hoping that our people will get out of it tomorrow? What is one thing you're hoping that they get out of tomorrow's kaupapa?
Just a good memory to put in the pocket, particularly for the young ones, because some of our young ones, their normal is different from the normal of their parents or their grandchildren.
Yeah.
But we just want what everyone wants, positive experiences and memories for our children. That's it.
Beautiful.
Well, I think we'll leave the kōrero on that note. E hoa mā ka hoki atu tātou ki ngā waiata right here on ngā Iwi FM.
Tēnā kōrua, kia ora.